Good night. My name is Marlis Alvarez Carrillo. Activity present perfect. Game 20 question. Have you Have you ever been to Machu Picchu? Have you ever played the guitar? Have you ever seen over 100 pictures in one day? Have you ever seen a famous star? Have you ever exercised at the beach? Have you ever done skiing? Have you ever ridden a motorcycle? Have you ever taken tequila? Have you ever driven a car? Have you ever seen Harry Potter? Have you ever found money on the street? Have you ever learned English before? Have you ever been to a marathon? Have you ever ordered tacos at home? Have you ever been over 15 hours in your office? Have you ever gone the Great Wall of China? Have you had an iPhone before? Have you ever played with dolphins? Have you ever left your heart warm? Have you ever had a sleep on your laptop? Thank you.